Welcome back to my channel. USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Honda CB400 is here, and it brings with it a perfect blend of retro charm and modern refinement that's set to impress both veteran riders and new enthusiasts alike. Honda has kept the soul of the CB series alive, but don't be fooled, this machine is far more than a throwback. From its muscular stance to its precisely engineered internals, the CB400 is a compelling choice in the middleweight segment. Let's take a closer look at why this motorcycle deserves your attention in 2025. The design of the CB400 continues to carry that iconic naked streetfighter look with clean, sculpted lines and minimal bodywork. It's stylish without being overdone, and it proudly shows off its engine and mechanical components. The round LED headlamp is a modern take on a classic, paired with a sculpted fuel tank and a stepped seat that offers both comfort and an aggressive riding position. Honda has nailed the proportions, making the CB400 feel compact yet commanding on the road. Under the tank lies a 399cc inline-4 engine, which is the real star of the show. It's liquid-cooled, smooth, and eager to rev, delivering a satisfying mix of performance and refinement. With around 45 horsepower and a redline that encourages spirited riding, this engine is ideal for daily commuting, weekend fun, and even longer rides. The power delivery is linear, and the throttle response is crisp, perfect for riders who enjoy precision and control. The 6-speed gearbox is slick and intuitive, and Honda's slipper clutch adds to the overall ride comfort and safety by reducing rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. The chassis of the CB400 is built for balance. The tubular steel frame offers strength and agility, while the telescopic front forks and rear twin shocks provide a comfortable and confident ride over all kinds of surfaces. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or weaving through city traffic, the CB400 stays planted and responsive. The seating ergonomics are also well balanced, not too upright, not too sporty, which makes it ideal for a wide range of riders. Braking is another area where Honda has delivered. Dual disc brakes at the front and a single disc at the rear, supported by dual-channel ABS, give you plenty of stopping power without being overly sensitive. Safety is further enhanced with a well-calibrated ABS system that doesn't intrude unless it's really needed. Tech-wise, Honda keeps things minimal but modern. A fully digital instrument cluster displays everything clearly: speed, RPM, gear position, fuel gauge, and trip data. There are no over-the-top electronics here, just the essentials done right. This helps keep the CB400 lightweight and focused on the riding experience. To sum it all up, the 2025 Honda CB400 isn't trying to be flashy. It's not overloaded with tech or chasing trends. What it delivers is timeless styling, excellent performance, everyday usability, and Honda's trademark reliability. Whether you're a commuter, a weekend rider, or someone getting back into motorcycles, the CB400 is a rock-solid choice. It's the kind of bike that makes you fall in love with riding again: simple, pure, and effortlessly cool.